What's up, y'all? So we're going Craftworks supercharger, and the only thing we're missing was a header. So I actually met a guy who's going turbo today in the area, and I've got that drive next. But we bought the PLM V2 V-band header. That should work great. Paired to our Craftworks supercharger, looking for about 370 to 400 wheel, and that should be here in the next 2 weeks. And then we're going to be getting tuned at VIP Performance in Portland. In Mexico. And then, yeah, the build should be on its way. But
yeah, it's rules the basic setup.
Yeah, I like this.
So, billet PLM has port or PLM mounts all the way around except for the fronts because they don't have a front, so you actually don't need it anymore.
Yep.
So now it's really stiff. We did a comp stage 2 clutch in it with hybrid detent springs. That's it for the transmission. And then friggin', as you can tell, she's so hidden back in there. You can't.
Turbsky's hidden back in there with the the log. I almost went with the log, and I didn't because I didn't know about what it would burn off. So it'd be good to know somebody is doing this.
Oh, it is.
Oh yeah.
First and second gears on 7 pounds.
So you have boost by gear set up?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dog.
By third gear,
yeah,
it's everything it's got.
Yeah. So you eat everything in third gear.
Yes.
Pretty much.
By third gear, once it does that initial click third, it grabs. It's got everything.
That's sick.
So
she's drivable as fuck though. She just chills, huh?
Oh yeah, she
just stays stock form until you put the boost on it.
During the street tuning, I had Zach in the passenger seat. I purposely got us stuck in traffic, all kinds of shit.
Nice. Yeah, baby. That's fucking uphill too. That's a beast.
Yeah, she's at full boost by like 4
She
pounds.
sounds hella good, dog. Let her rip hands in. Fuck yeah, boy. Anyways, that was the poles and the 420 horsepower boosted Civic on a real simple setup. Thanks. That was cool of you to let me ride with it. I'm not gonna say your name obviously, but thanks for taking me around in Mexico and showing me what 400-ish horsepower feels like on a turbo. Now we're gonna have something to compare it to when we go supercharged. And thanks for that deal on the header as well. Header looks great. I already have it painted and ceramic coated, and now it's in baking. So next episode we'll be putting the header on, and then soon we'll be putting the Craftworks all in and making hopefully 400 also. We'll see how that pulls. All right, subscribe, like, and drive